Hey Shannon, this is Eddie here. I wanted to show you some video of the snowstorm we got. It's already melting a little bit. Isn't this cool? We're in North Carolina and look at it. It's melting. It's still deep. It looks like it's 3 or 4 inches deep, which I think it was 2019 the last time I saw snow here this deep. And when I woke up, it was like 17 degrees. 17 degrees. And our average low is 32. Right now it's like 30 degrees outside. You can see like everything's covered in snow. See if we can make ourselves up to the road here. Even the roads are still covered. I think like a week ago it was raining and it was 25 degrees out here. I always thought that was crazy. Like raining and 25 degrees, I couldn't believe it. One thing I noticed, it's like so bright. Whenever I look down at the snow, it's like bright. I don't know if it's because of the sun or what. Oh. Yeah, I've never seen, it's been a long time since I've seen snow this deep out here. I sent a video to Sherry earlier about the snow too, but I was freezing my butt off when I made that one. We are in the south, and this is what the snow looks like. This is Sherry's shed thing right here. You know, it's not that cold. Considering it's all white and snow everywhere, you would think it was much colder. I think it's like 28, 29. You get used to it. Like, I thought I'd be freezing to death if it was 20s. Even for a high, but it does not feel that cold. Alright, I wanted to show you this. It's 2 minutes on the video. I gotta make it shorter. Alright, this is, if you love snow, I wanted you to see it. Love ya.